Okay, students, today we can discuss some of the problems from dot product from maths level, which is given in the fact material. So now, first problem you see, students, a force produces a displacement. Force is given. A force is given 2I cap plus 6j cap minus k cap. This is the force vector is given and produces a displacement, and it is giving a displacement vector is given. So I cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. So these are the force and displacement. Then question mark is work done. So find work done. So question mark is work done, and from the formula of work done we know that work is equal to dot product of force into displacement. So F bar dot S bar. Okay, students, now here F bar value we have, the F bar value we have 2I cap plus 6j cap minus k cap, and the dot product with that is I cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. So this is the formula for work done. Work done is equal to force into displacement, or the same displacement we will write it as delta R bar also you can write. Okay, students, now in the dot product we know that I bar dot I bar is I dot I, so is existed. I dot j, I and j are perpendicular to each other, so dot product will be 0. I and k also perpendicular to each other, dot product will be 0. So I dot I, and similarly j into I orthogonal vectors or perpendicular vectors, so dot product is 0. J dot j existed, j dot k existed. Next, k dot I does not exist, k into j also does not exist, k into k. That's why multiply the coefficients of I dot I. So here I coefficient. So I coefficient is 2, and here I coefficient is 1. 2 into 1, and here j coefficient is 6. J dot j only existed. Okay. Then write it. So 3 into, okay, that is j coefficient is 6, here j coefficient is 3. So, and minus, what will write, students? Here, so plus here k coefficient is minus 1, and here k coefficient is plus 2. Okay, students, then 2 into 1, 2, plus 6 3s are 18, and minus 2. Then you will get, so gets cancelled 18, and in the problem all are okay, that is, so 18, so units is the work done. So see, students, force is a vector quantity, so we have I cap, j cap, k cap units, and displacement is a vector quantity, so displacement is a vector quantity, I cap, j cap, k cap units we have, vectors we have, but while doing the dot product we got work done is simply a scalar quantity we got it. Okay, students, now similarly you do the 69th problem as a homework. So see, 69th problem. So because of application of force is given for us. Because of application of force, So because of application of force, the force value is given 4 I cap minus 5 j cap newtons. So this is the force value they have given. So because of the application of the force in newtons, the velocity of the body at any instant is given. So velocity at an instant is given. So means instantaneous velocity is given. So that is instantaneous velocity is 2 I cap minus 7 j cap meter second power minus 1. That is the velocity given. Then question mark is instantaneous power. Question mark is instantaneous power is the question mark. So find instantaneous power. This is the question mark they are asking. So now we know that. So we know the power formula is equal to we have the formula work by time. So power formula is work by time, and work we know the formula for work is equal to force into displacement by time, or you just write it F bar dot S bar by t, and since displacement by time is velocity, so since displacement by time is velocity vector, so you can write power P is equal to, so force vector F bar dot velocity vector V bar. Okay, then you will get displacement by time is velocity, so this is called instantaneous power. So instantaneous power you will get F bar dot V bar you will get. So here F bar value is equal to, we have here, you see students, F bar value, so 4 into I cap minus 5 j cap plus 0 into k cap. So dot velocity vector, so what is the velocity vector? 2 I cap so 2 I cap minus 7 j cap. 2 I cap minus 7 j cap is the velocity vector given. Means here also we do not have k cap, so we don't have. So in the dot product of vectors, so this is the instantaneous velocity, so we get instantaneous power. Okay students, in the dot product of vectors, see students, so this is 0 into k cap, need not to write, and dot product with 0 into k cap, that is also need not to write. Means what do we have here, you see students, 4 I cap minus 5 j cap dot 2 I cap minus 7 j cap. So what will you write there? 2 I cap minus 7 j cap. Okay, then write the individual terms students. So 4 in, so with the 4 I cap I should multiply that one, entire thing I should multiply. So I am writing 4 I cap into this total term, 4 I cap dot 2 I cap minus 7 j cap and minus 5 j cap dot, and with this you are multiplying the total term, so 2 I cap minus 7 j cap. So then 4 into 2 8 into I cap dot, so what will you write students? I cap, and 4 into 7, what will you write students? 28 into I cap dot j cap. So and minus 5 into 2 10, 5 into 2 10 into j cap dot I cap. So minus into minus plus 5 into 7 35, 5 7 are 35, j cap dot j cap, write it j cap dot j cap. And we know, my dear students, we know that I cap dot I cap is 1. So you will have 8 into 1, 8 into 1, and I cap dot j cap. So this is 0. So this term will be 0. And j cap dot I cap. These two vectors are perpendicular vectors. The dot product of perpendicular vectors is 0. So again minus 10. And j cap dot j cap. So that is plus 35. So then so what we have to write, you see students, then what do we have here? So in this problem, 8 into 1, 8 we have, 8 into 1, so 8, 0, and this is also 0, j dot j, that term won't be there, 0, so 8 plus 35, 8 plus 35 we have, so that is 43, force SI unit, velocity SI unit, so power is SI unit, we should write 43 watts. So then instantaneous power is question mark, that we calculated 43 watts. Okay students, that is the answer. Okay students, what is given? So problem number 62. So A bar and B bar are two vectors are given, and or perpendicular vectors, find the value of C, they are asking. Okay, so if two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product must be, okay, so if two vectors are perpendicular, then the dot product must be 0. Okay, so A bar is one vector and B bar is another vector, then A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. So then A bar value we are taking, so A bar is equal to 7 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap, and dot of that, so, and B bar is given for us, so what is that? I cap plus j cap plus 2c into k cap. So the dot product must be 0. Okay students, so then, so he has given two vectors, A and B are the two vectors given. This is A bar vector and this is B bar vector, and telling that they are perpendicular. Then find the value of C. Question mark is C. So we have to find this one. And this is the important point we know. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, if two vectors are perpendicular, then the dot product must be 0. So A bar dot B bar is equal to 0 I have taken. So now, so in the dot product we just multiply I dot I. So I coefficient here 1 and here 7. So I dot I is allowed. So 7 and j into j. So that is 2. Since here, or you see students, here I cap coefficient is 7 and here I cap coefficient is 1. 7 into 1. Plus j cap coefficient 2, here j cap coefficient is 1, so 2 into 1, and you have minus here and plus here, so minus, so k cap coefficient is 3, that is a minus already I have written here, and here k cap coefficient is 2c, this must be is equal to 0, so then 7 into 1, 7 plus 2 minus 6c is equal to 0. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is equal to 6c. Okay students, then c is equal to 9 by 6. So that is 3 3s. So you can write it 3 3s are 3 2s are. Then the value of c is 3 by 2. So which is 1.5. So this is the answer for 62 problem. Okay. So the question mark is find 1 minus a bar dot b bar by 1 plus a bar dot b bar value, how much we have to find, and theta is the angle between unit vectors a bar and b bar. Okay, see students, so this is the given question and they are telling that a and b are the unit vectors. Since a bar and b bar are unit vectors, since a bar and b bar are, what is that, a bar and b bar are unit vectors. Since a bar and b bar are unit vectors, so modulus of a bar value is equal to 1 and modulus of b bar value is also equal to 1. They are unit vectors. Now this is we have to find. So 1 minus a bar dot b bar. 1 minus a bar dot b bar is equal to ab cos theta by 1 plus a bar dot b bar, that is equal to 1 plus ab cos theta. So 1 minus ab cos theta by 1 plus ab cos theta. So that is we have to write it. So modulus of a bar means a and modulus of b bar means b. Its magnitudes are 1. Okay students. Then 1 into a value, magnitude of a is 1. So that is, so 1 minus magnitude of a is 1 and magnitude of b is also 1 and cos theta. So by so 1 plus magnitude of a 1, magnitude of b 1, and so what you write, cos theta. So then you will get, what will you get, 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this 1 minus cos theta, we know that 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2 and 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. Then 2 gets cancelled. Sin square theta by 2 by cos square theta by 2 we will get. So sin square theta by 2 by what will you get? Cos square theta by 2. So its value you will get. So that is sin theta by cos theta, you will get tan square theta by 2. So this is the answer for 63 problem. Okay students, see problem number 65. So a bar is given 5i cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap and b bar is given 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. The question mark is component of b bar along a bar is. So how much we have to find it? So see students, component of B bar along A bar. Now consider this is the direction of A bar vector. Okay, this is the direction of this is A bar and its direction I have taken, and this is some B bar, and let theta be the angle between A bar and B bar. So angle between A and B I have taken theta. Now this B bar, from the B bar if I draw a perpendicular to A, it will become 90 degrees. Then I can write this side as B cos theta. So for this right angle triangle, and this is theta, this is the adjacent one, B cos theta. This is the opposite side, B sin theta. Now see here B cos theta. So B cos theta is, what is that? B cos theta is component of, B cos theta name is component of B bar along A bar. And you know that component of B bar, so is a scalar quantity we know. It is a scalar quantity. So I want to find that B cos theta value. So then B cos theta value I want to find it. So it is only a scalar, it has no direction. So component of B bar and is a scalar quantity, we know that. So we know that A bar dot B bar is equal to, so magnitude of the first vector A into magnitude of the second vector. So magnitude of the first vector into magnitude of the second vector into cosine angle between them. A bar dot B bar is equal to AB cos theta. And here the required quantity is called B cos theta we want. So make B cos theta subject. B cos theta we will get, so A bar dot B bar by A. And make only B cos theta subject here students. Then we are getting A bar dot B bar by A we are getting. So this is we have to find. That is called component of B bar along A bar. So that is equal to B cos theta. And this B cos theta value is equal to, so what is that? A bar dot B bar by magnitude of A. So now substitute the values. So A bar is a vector given. A bar is a vector. So how much that is students? A bar is a vector. It is 5i cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap is a vector A bar. I want its magnitude. Its magnitude I want to find. So its magnitude is modulus of A bar. Magnitude of a vector is modulus of A bar, that is equal to A. That A I want to find now. A is equal to square root of I coefficient square 5 square plus j coefficient square. J coefficient is minus 2 here. So minus 2 whole square plus k coefficient is 3 whole square. So that is the magnitude of A. Then magnitude of A, 5 square means 25 plus 2 square means 4 plus 3 square means 9. So under root. So how much you will get, students? 25 plus 4, 29. 29 plus 9, 38. So its value is root 38. So that is A. And next, take the dot product of A bar dot B bar. And we already have seen very clearly, dot product means I dot I, you have to do it. So this is A bar vector and this is B bar vector. I coefficient is 2 and here I coefficient is 5. So I am checking A bar dot B bar value. So in this A bar, I coefficient is 5. 5 into 2, 10. And here J coefficient is minus 2 and here J coefficient nothing is there, 1 is there. So 1 into minus 2, and here K coefficient is 3, here K coefficient is 2, 3 into 2, so you will have plus 6. So then 10 minus 2 plus 6, so 10 minus 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. Okay students, so A bar dot B bar value we got it as 14. Then substitute them here, A bar dot B bar, so is equal to 14 and magnitude of A is equal to root 38. So this is the answer. Otherwise you can write here, cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar, that is equal to 14 by magnitude of A. Magnitude of A means, so how much that is, root 38. So this is the B cos theta value. This B cos theta is component of B bar along A bar. And in the same problem I will tell another model for you. And here the problem is completed. Now we will go for another model, student. So that is, so for the same what is that problem, so what I am doing, you see students. So A bar is a vector given and B bar is a vector given. Find. So now the question mark is find the vector. So this is the thing we will have here. Find the vector component of B bar along A bar. They are asking find the vector component of B bar along A bar. So we need to find the vector component of B bar in the direction of A bar. So okay students, you see again same vectors. Consider this is A bar vector, this is the direction and this much is the magnitude I have taken. Magnitude and direction, and this is the B bar vector, magnitude and direction. So now this B we resolve into two components. This side B cos theta we know. So this is B cos theta. Component is a scalar quantity. But he is asking what? Find vector component of B bar. Vector component of B bar along A bar means this B cos theta in the direction of A bar. So this B cos theta is in the direction of A bar. So here what I am doing? So here, so A cap is a unit vector. A cap is a unit vector in the direction of A bar. So it is a unit vector in the direction. So A cap is a unit vector. This is called A cap. It is a unit vector in the direction of, so in the direction of A bar. So fine. Now question mark is what, students? Find the vector component of B bar. So that is called B cos theta. It is actually scalar. and it is in the direction of A bar. That's why I am writing here, you see students, vector component. So vector component of B bar along A bar I am writing. Vector component of B bar along A bar. Okay students. So actually component of B along A means B cos theta. So that is B cos theta. It is in the direction of A bar. So if a vector in the direction of A bar, and that should be multiplied by its unit vector. So that is called A cap. Means here we know that A cap is a unit vector. And A cap is a unit vector. So modulus of A cap value is equal to 1. Since it is a unit vector. Since A cap is unit vector. So A cap is a unit vector. So because of that reason, if B cos theta is a unit vector, means if some vector is in the direction of A bar, and if that is multiplied by A cap, nothing will happen to that, but it will get a specified direction. So B cos theta is a scalar quantity. B cos theta here is a scalar quantity which is in the direction of A bar. To make it vector quantity, it is in whom direction? It is in the direction of A bar. So it should be multiplied by a unit vector in that direction. Means while multiplying B cos theta with A cap, nothing will happen to the B cos theta, but it will just get a specified direction. So the vector component of B bar along A bar means B cos theta into A cap. Okay students. So but we know that from the dot product of two vectors, A bar dot B bar is equal to AB cos theta. And here make B cos theta subject. B cos theta value I can write this much. Okay. So this is, this is equation number 1, and take this is the equation number 2. Okay. From 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2. So this value is substitute here. So instead of B cos theta we can write it. Instead of B cos theta we can write it. So B cos theta we can write this much value. So from 1 and 2. So what I am writing? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, B cos theta, instead of B cos theta we have this much. So what is that? A bar dot B bar by magnitude of A into, okay, so into what do we have students? So into A cap we have, and we know that A cap is equal to vector A bar by magnitude of the vector A. So vector A bar by magnitude of the vector A. So means, so instead of A cap I can write it. So see students, A bar dot B bar by A. So into A cap means you can write A bar by A. So you can write A bar by A, you can write. Okay. So then the vector component of B bar along A bar, let it be C bar. That C bar we want it as C bar is equal to, we got it, B cos theta into A cap, that is this much value. What is that students? A bar dot b bar. A bar dot b bar by A into A cap means, so A bar vector by magnitude of A. Okay, then A into A square. So we have A bar dot b bar by A into A square into, okay, what is that? We have A bar. Okay, this is called C bar. This C bar is the given quantity. So now we know A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar means I cap coefficient and I cap coefficient here. So take the I cap coefficient 2, I cap coefficient 5, 5 into 2, 10, and here 1 into 2 minus 2, and 3 into 2, 6. So this is called A bar dot B bar value into A bar value. A bar means how much you write, students? So 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap by how much you have? So that is A bar I have written by A square. A square means magnitude of A. So that is called magnitude of A. So I cap coefficient 5 square 25, j cap coefficient minus 2 square, its value 4, and k cap coefficient 3 square 9. So then, so this is called, take it another problem or take it a note. Okay, students. So then 10 minus 2, 8 plus 2, so 14. So 14 into, so what will you get? 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap by 25 plus 4, 29, 29 plus 9, 38 under root. So that is equal to, so then 14 5s are 70, 70 into I cap, 70 into I cap, 14 2s are 28, 28 into j cap, and 14 3s are 14 into 3, 42, 42 into k cap by, so how much you have? Root 38 we have. This is the solution. So if they ask the component of B bar along A bar means you find only B cos theta. So only B cos theta means this much only you will get. This much only you will get. If they ask the vector component, then it is in whose direction that unit vector should be multiplied. So then that you are multiplying with that A cap. So previously we calculated this value and that should be multiplied by A cap. That is the solution, students.